From the QA Archive. Introduction to QA. What QA skills do I need?
QA Skills Overview. When we think about skill in relation to a tester, we think about what comes from their knowledge, experience, practice, and aptitude. A good tester should possess a range of skills in order to do their job effectively. A basic skill level. While a tester may not excel at all required skills, they should possess a basic level in all essential skills. To be effective, a tester requires the following skills. Good communication skills. Attention to detail, thoroughness. Curiosity. A critical eye, analytical thinking. Professional pessimism. Testing knowledge. A tester will rarely have all of these skills to an equally high standard, but the qualities listed are all considered useful in a tester.
Why communication is important. When a tester finds a defect, they are, at some level, criticizing another person's work, which is why some people view the testing profession as a destructive activity. In fact, testing is highly constructive in relation to product risk. Example. Imagine you had worked hard on creating something for months when out of the blue, someone tells you there is something wrong with it. A part of you, however small, will resent the negative feedback. With this in mind, we, as testers, should be mindful of how we communicate negative feedback, defects, to a developer.
The following are proven methods to help ease communication between developers and testers. Collaboration rather than battles. We are all on the same team aiming for a quality product. Communicate issues factually, don't place blame on specific individuals, just state the facts. Confirm understanding, ensure you both understand what has been communicated. Use empathy, put yourself in their shoes, ask yourself why they are reacting in that way.
It is also important for the tester and test leader to have good interpersonal skills to communicate factual information such as defects, progress, risks, etc. clearly, concise, and in a constructive way.
End of lesson.
Don't forget to subscribe.